Welcome to Kellum Law Firm. If you have questions after an accident or want to learn more about protecting an injury claim in North Carolina, please visit us online at kellumlawfirm.com. Most people assume evidence will still be there when they need it. But after an accident, that is not always true. Some of the most important evidence in an injury claim can disappear surprisingly fast. Video may be recorded over. A damaged vehicle may be repaired. A product may be thrown away. Electronic data may be lost. And once that evidence is gone, it can be much harder to prove exactly what happened. That is why preserving evidence early can make a real difference. After an accident, most people are focused on the obvious things. They are getting medical care, dealing with the insurance company, missing work, and trying to get life back in order. What they often do not realize is that evidence does not wait for the situation to settle down. In some cases, the evidence is in your own hands. It may be photos from the scene, damage to your car, torn clothing, a broken helmet, or text messages related to what happened. In other cases, the evidence is controlled by someone else, like a business, a trucking company, a property owner, or another driver. That is where early notice becomes important. You may hear the phrase spoliation letter. In simple terms, that means a written notice telling someone that certain evidence may matter in a legal claim, and that it should be preserved instead of deleted, repaired, discarded, or recorded over. The idea is straightforward. If there is surveillance footage, vehicle data, maintenance records, phone data, or a damaged product that may help explain what happened, you do not want that evidence disappearing before anyone has had a chance to review it. Think about a slip and fall in a store. Surveillance video might show exactly what happened, but many systems only keep footage for a limited time. Or think about a truck accident, where maintenance records, driver logs, or onboard data may become important. If no one acts quickly, that information may be lost in the normal course of business. And it is not always about dramatic evidence. Sometimes preservation is much simpler than that. It may mean holding on to a damaged item, photographing a vehicle before repairs begin, saving messages, keeping receipts, or making sure visible injuries are documented before they start to heal. The main point is that people should not assume important evidence will automatically be saved just because it seems important. Often, it will not. Things get repaired, deleted, overwritten, or discarded as part of ordinary life. So after an accident, it is worth slowing down and thinking carefully about what evidence exists, who controls it, and how long it is likely to last. Because preserving evidence is not just a technical legal issue. In some cases, it can be the difference between being able to clearly show what happened and being left to argue about it later, without the proof you needed. Kellum Law Firm have represented accident and injury victims in North Carolina for over 50 years. For more information about injury claims in North Carolina, please visit kellumlawfirm.com.